Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your baseline acuity and establishing conditions that let improvement occur. First, test distance and near vision so you know what to track. Once done, optimize sleep to 7-8 hours and add 0.5 liter of water daily because rest and hydration support ocular metabolism. Next, change environmental factors. Increase room light, reduce glare, and set a 20-minute screen break timer. Make sure to schedule short eye exercises twice or 3 times a day to start strengthening focus. Now you move into systematic training and nutritional support to build measurable gains. Begin a 10-minute daily exercise block, alternate near-far focus, do lateral tracking, and practice saccade drills because these improve accommodation and neural control. At the same time, upgrade your diet. Eat vitamin-A sources, lutein-rich greens, zinc, and omega-3 fats. Consider a 500-1000 mg fish oil supplement if diet lacks it. Once comfortable, apply progressive overload. Longer distances, lower to finish, validate progress and resolve setbacks so gains stick. Perform a weekly vision test and record changes. Once you see improvement, increase challenge and refine exercises. Make sure to have a medical evaluation if you encounter double vision, persistent pain, flashes, or sudden acuity loss because those signs need clinical care. If progress plateaus, vary visual stimuli, lengthen recovery periods, and reassess nutrition and supplements. These adjustments often restart adaptation. Finally, maintain the routine. Consistent practice sustains functional improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.